One thing you wish more people knew about the maintenance and reliability industry.
Oh, wish I knew. I think these are the answer I'm going to give you. I think people already know this, but refuse to acknowledge it. And in doing that, I think they pretend they don't know. And the first one we've already really touched on, and this is for the leadership of the business, and it's to really understand, acknowledge, and know the return on investment in the reliability program. It's really to understand and know, hang on, yes, it's not necessarily about the dollars going out the door, but we've got to understand where we see that return on investment. And we've got to be willing to spend that money knowing at some point it's going to come back to us. So that's one that I wish, the senior leadership and the senior sponsors would actually take on board. And the second one is for the actual reliability leaders themselves. And that's that, unfortunately, there's no silver bullet and there's no magic wand. And you'll know this yourself. I go to a lot of conferences, both speaking and participating, and the amount of people I see there who are just there looking for that secret thing that's going to make all the difference. It doesn't exist, unfortunately. And there's a whole heap of vendors of different things that sort of look at me funny. Don't tell anyone that secret. But really, there's no magic bullet out there. It's disciplined hard work and consistent daily action. Mm-hmm. And I think as leaders, and particularly in this space, because we're all very technical, because we're all looking for the next thing we can implement, we actually forget that the thing that can make the most difference is just those daily basic habits. Talk about your culture, talk about your team, talk about your real basic KPIs and measures, and have good conversations every day about how can you make today better than yesterday. And if you're doing those things, all of the other tools, all of the other gizmos, they'll come to you at the right time. But if you go out there looking for that gizmo with a little tool that's going to save the world and save your plant, it's just not there without that daily discipline.
Yeah. And that's actually funny, Simon. I think I asked you what's the secret as well during this, last 30-minute podcast together.
That's it. It's unfortunately that secret is do what you know needs to be done. It's that consistency. It's that daily routine and just building step by step.